I'm Ben Dewberry. I work on service desk as a team leader. I've been with the company just under 4 years, and I started the SupporTPride network. So, Pride for me is where you can be unapologetically yourself. You don't have to hide who you are, there's no stereotypes, there's no labels, you just celebrate being you. Along with that, it's also celebrating all of the achievements we've made throughout history, from decriminalising homosexuality, marriage equality, so same-sex couples have the same rights as a male and female. I have never had to hide myself here. I walked in the door and I am who I am, and I've been able to be my authentic self. Now I know that sounds really cheesy, but it's true. I've been able to just be myself no matter what. I want to leave you on this note though. It's my favourite way, it's been my favourite quote of how sexuality can be explained. And it's a Netflix series called Schitt's Creek, and you have the main character David is in a convenience store with his friend Stevie, and Stevie says, "Just to be clear, I'm a red wine drinker, and up until now I thought you were a red wine drinker." So David replies and says, I do drink red wine, but I drink white wine, and I'm known to have the occasional rosé, and a couple of summers back I sampled a Merlot, which was a Chardonnay. I like the wine, not the label. And it was just so casual, and it's like, okay. And they picked up a bottle of wine and they left. And that's just the way it should be.